Hi, YouTube land. Guess who? It's me. Da, 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 da. And I'm here with the family. Say hello, family. Let me turn them up a little bit so you can hear the cheering of the crowd. I'm just going to max you guys out here. All right. Tristan? Very nice. I like those. That looks very, very nice. So, and my mother says hello. You can hear her in the back, I hope. We got the proper microphone on and using the camera. So we are doing, what, babe?
Yeah, guys, thank you so much for getting the other BoxyCharms like 100 views already. And,
yeah.
So this box is not BoxyCharm, it's TestTube.
Yes, this is my third one. TestTube by NewBeauty.
Uh-oh, TT.
What happened?
Okay, I'm back. We're back. Sorry, guys.
That was my sister's voice.
Yeah, sorry. It connected. It connected to our AirPods. So.
Take your AirPods off. We're doing a video here. What do you think this is? A circus? People who don't know how to edit? That's me. I don't know how to edit. Everything is live, as you see. I can't tell lies on videos because I can't edit to save my life. I can't change anything. So now we're opening it. I want to say NewBeauty is a bi-monthly box because I got one in November.
Wow, that's bad.
And then not December. Well, it's supposed, this is, it's a lot for face and for skin, so the majority of it goes to Lauren.
Alright.
Sneak peek. God, that's how you get in there. Sneak peek. Right, sneak peek, family?
Yeah, see, there's like...
Okay. All right, the first thing is your dark spot hero. Mighty Patch.
Dark spot hero.
MicroPoint for dark spot. Huh?
I'll take that one.
You don't have acne.
It's not acne, sweetie. It's dark spots. Age spots.
Well, let me see. I have 8 spots on my face. Let's see what it is first.
Oh, you do not.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My mother's lost it. I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay, blemishes like to leave their mark. Fight back with MicroPoint dark spots. A powerful post-blemish patch. Uses 173 dissolving micropoints to deliver an advanced combo of brightening ingredients. It'll be like the pimple never happened. And again, for pimples, not age spots.
Okay. I received my statement.
And then we have YOUTHEORY. This is immune and daily wellness. Well, I guess this comes in handy right now with, you know, Miss Rona running amok. Come on, come on. Just zoom in and be clear. There we go. So you get 60 vegetarian capsules.
Alright, so it helps with acne?
No, this is for your immunity, to boost your immune system. I can't read. I have glasses on and I'm using the magnifier on my iPhone. This is vegetarian full spectrum mushrooms and well immune.
Alright, nice. Sounds good.
It says fortifies immune defenses, all seasons respiratory support, full spectrum mushroom blend.
Ooh, that sounds like a goodie there.
Yeah, I'd have to look into this a bit. 3 capsules a day, so you only lasts 20 days.
So what is it for exactly?
It's supposed to be to boost your immune system, you know, because right now a lot of people are getting sick. Okay, so here is the test tube. See, every other month it's a different test tube, and since they can't fit everything in one test tube, So this is called Get Glowing. They have someone design the test tube, and they fill it with stuff for your face. And what is this? Your tube is sustainable too. Okay, so everything is sustainable.
So are we still on the first item or second one?
No, now we're opening up the tube. So we got the vitamins and we got the patches for acne. So now we're gonna open up the tube. Look at the tube.
For acne, boosting your immune system for,
Mhm.
you know what? And
Yeah.
opening the big tube of spaghetti. What's in there?
Spaghetti.
It looks like we have like a plastic tube inside of
Okay. No. Well, maybe. Pop of cheek lifting color. Sorry, I itch. My cleavage itches. 96% saw plumper cheeks and 90% saw cheek lifting. Okay, so this is plumping liquid blush. I'll test it. I'll test it. What color is it?
What to do?
It's supposed to plump up your cheeks.
Doesn't it make them all fatty like a rabbit? Alright.
I don't know. We'll see.
You don't turn into my local rabbit.
Ooh, this is not a good. I don't think this is a good blush color.
What color is it?
It's brown.
Brown.
It's a brown.
It's gonna look like, you know what?
It looks like my lipstick. It looks like Flambot. This looks exactly the same color as my lipstick. No
Oh, yeah,
lie.
guys, so if you're wondering, that was a video we already did. It will be out by the time this is out. Probably.
Wow, it smells like chemicals.
You put them on your face.
There's a nice foot. The doe foot is a nice applicator, but for a liquid blush, I don't think so.
I don't think so, sister.
I don't think so, sister. Okay, yeah, I don't think that's a good idea. But we'll try it. We might find like a new color that fits us. But I've been a pinky girl since I was young. All right, and here we have Dr. Dennis Gross again. So it looks like Dr. Dennis Gross is to test tube as Dr. Brandt is to BoxyCharm.
Alright, so.
Right, so this is Dr. Dennis Gross. This is a Biadaptive
What's it do?
Biadaptive Superfoods. This is Stress Rescue Super Serum. Super Serum for anti-stress.
Okay, anti-stress.
You can use it in the morning or in the evening. Apply it all over on a clean face, dry skin.
Clean face, dry skin. Alright, sounds good.
And for best result, follow with the moisturizer of your choice.
Moisturizer.
Oh, from their skincare. Okay, I don't know what's so special about this, but
Uh-oh. Are you connected to me again?
yes, hi sis. Well, welcome to the video. All
I already disconnected it.
right, this is called Eminence. Eminence. It is a
So it helps with stress. Alright, nice.
This is a MONOI age corrective night cream for face and neck. I don't know what MONOI means. I would have to look that up in the dictionary. Stating on here that this is a gift, not for individual resale. Organic, from the organic farmers of Hungary. Eminence distributed by Vancouver, British Columbia, made in Hungary. Okay. Oh, it's another stem cell product. So
Nice.
I've been trying stem cells that they get from apples in a serum. Oh, this is small. You know, I think that's why it's not for, I think this was a trial gift and they got their hands on a bunch of them. That's why it says not for individual sale. Oh, it's,
Stem cell stuff.
It's just a tester for for aging face. Oh, and what is this? This is Christophe Robin. What is it?
What is it?
I don't know. I'm trying to see. Shampooing. Wait.
Blueberry's father.
Oh,
Wait, are there prices for me to calculate on this?
there might be. Cleansing mask with lemon. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. So what's
Oh, it's for hair. Oh, it's for damaged or color treated hair. Okay. All right. Oh, that's nice. It's a hair mask. Yes, we dyed our hair purple. All right. Well, you can't really smell through the plastic, but I'll open this when I take my shower. All right, then here's one thing. Oh, rose gold illuminating eye mask. Nice.
Those are good colors.
Well, this is from 111 Skin. I gave Lauren a box of 6 face masks that cost like $120. I got in a BoxyCharm box. So this is for the under eyes, and it's one set. And then
So how much did you pay for the TestTube box?
TestTube I think is $35.
So $10 more expensive than Boxy?
Yeah. So here's John Masters Organic Lip Calmer. My eyes are something to behold, I'll tell you.
Yeah. So it helps your lips.
Hawaiian cocktail,
That sounds weird. Can't be it.
beeswax, sunflower seed oil, passion fruit,
Just kidding.
rose seeds.
See?
Well, it's only good for 6 months after you open it, so it's got to be pretty natural in order for those things, for it expires. They don't give you a sheet. They did not give me a sheet with prices on it.
No.
Unless,
I need to calculate.
I know, sweetheart.
Alright guys, well make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy unboxing. That's what gives her the most views on our channel along with Field Wars. Probably some fort. So make sure to like and subscribe. We got 2.
Oh, you know what it is? Look what they did to save money, unlike some Pat McGrath that will point over there. I need to download a QR code reader, and then we'll get the booklet that gives you the thing. That's smart. They're using computers now.
Alright,
So I'll be able to give you, all right, QR scanner. Okay, QR code reader.
There, got the calculator.
Okay. Continue for iPhone.
Continue.
Okay, just a minute, because usually they give you a printed booklet, but I'm guessing they're saving money and doing a QR code. So I guess you can take a picture of it from my video right there, and you can pull up absolutely everything that I'm doing now. What Tristan?
Can't you just like
I'm doing it.
Oh, you're doing both. Oh.
Oh, wait. No, subscribe. Wait a minute.
What are the prices? What?
Nothing. They said I have to pay something. I need to cancel this. Okay.
That's a little.
This is so sketchy. Hold on. You know what? Hold on a minute. This one is very sketchy.
Sketchy.
Let me remove this app. Yeah, delete it all. We need a free QR app is what we need. I wish they would say that, you know, because now I'm taking up everybody's time.
No, they want to catch somebody.
They want to what?
They want to catch someone with their fish hook.
teach you how to edit it, Lynn, so you can be the editor.
No, that's okay.
For like times like this.
Scan it.
Good idea.
Open the camera app. Open your camera app. Home screen. Control center. Lock screen.
That does sound sketchy. You have to subscribe.
What
to
is
it.
this? Well, yeah, they said after 3 days they're going to start charging you for it.
Just to look at prices.
Yeah, it's kind of silly. Hey Siri, open QR reader.
Sorry, once again, it doesn't look like you have an app named QR Reader. If you'd like, I can help you look for it on the...
Huh.
We'll put a timestamp below. If
Yeah, I'm not going to go through all this now. I'll look it up later.
Yeah. And if she does, she'll put it in the...
Yeah, now I'll just type it all out in the description. But needless to say, it's more than what I paid for. I'm sure of that, just with that 111 skin. So thanks for watching the unboxing of TestTube.
I keep wanting to say too, buddy. So make sure to like and subscribe.
Yeah, kind of bummed that they didn't give it to you to read, and they're forcing you to download programs from Google or from the iStore. That's kind of stinky, but
even if you dislike, it's still some traffic.
yeah, it doesn't matter. Okay, so thank you for watching. This month's new TestTube beauty. Look how pretty these are. And they have them designed every month.
The only downside of it is you can't get the prices right away. But okay.
Yeah, that's a bummer. But thanks for watching. Say goodbye, fam.
Bye, guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Bye. If you want.
Bye. Say bye, Mom.
Peace. Bird.
Hey, bird. Say goodbye.
The video's ending. Adios.
There we go.
Amigos. Sally's.
Bye.